Welcome to Codeverse, where every line of code opens a brand new universe. Brought to you by SkillMove, your launchpad for future-ready skills. Today we're kicking off our Let's Decode Python series with the most obvious question. What is Python? And no, sadly it's not the snake that becomes your pet. Here's a fun twist. Python wasn't named after a snake. It was named after a British comedy show, Monty Python's Flying Circus. Yup, a global programming revolution sparked by comedy, peak multi-universe energy. So what is Python? Python is a programming language, but not the scary, math-heavy villain people imagine. Think of it like English. If English could make apps, automate tasks, analyze data, run AI models, or help you build the next billion-dollar startup, Python is simple. Python is powerful. Python is everywhere, and Python is for everyone. School students, career starters, working professionals, even people switching careers at 30, 40 or 50. In the Codeverse, Python is basically the portal gun. What can Python actually do? Short answer? A lot. Long answer? A lot more. You can build apps and websites, automate boring tasks, analyze data like a pro, train AI and machine learning models, create games, run robots, and yes, even control your lights at home. Python is used by Google, Netflix, NASA, Spotify, Instagram, and even your favorite AI tools. If the tech world had a favorite child, it's Python. Why is Python so popular? One word: simplicity. Python doesn't judge you for not being a coding genius. It holds your hand, it explains things, it feels friendly. Coding in Python is like talking to your computer in full sentences. Clear, logical, conversational, which is exactly why beginners love it, and experts still swear by it. Why are you learning Python? Maybe you want a high-growth career, maybe you want to upgrade your job, maybe you want to build something cool. Maybe you just want to finally understand what your tech friends are talking about. Whatever your reason, you're in the right universe. And SkillMove's Python Bootcamp program is designed for every kind of learner, from 14-year-old dreamers to seasoned professionals ready for their next big leap. What's coming next? This is just the beginning of the Codeverse journey. In the next episode, we're diving deeper into Python's superpower, how it works, why companies love it, and how you can master it faster than you think. So hit that subscribe button, drop a comment telling us why you want to learn Python, and share this video with someone who needs a skill move in life. We are your guide through the multi-universe of code, and this is Codeverse by SkillMove. See you in the next episode.